Hi everyone, Kaiten here, and I just wanted to say something. Literally 2 weeks ago, a week ago, whatever you want to say, we had a snowstorm, and whoever lives in whoever lives in Texas, besides me, my friends, and my family in general, it was bad. Our power went out. We had to me and my family had to stay in a hotel for about like 2, 3, 4 days. I hated it. Uh, and but at least we came back. We had our power, came back on literally the next day. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. It was like 9 p.m. I was so glad to see it turn on. I was so afraid. I was so afraid. I was so scared. I remember calling my boyfriend up and I was like, "Babe, I'm so scared. I'm so cold." And he's like, "Babe, he's just freaking out. It's fine." And he just told me to put layers on. I did, and it kept me warm. Our um our water pressure was low, and then others were like, some people already had their pipes bursted. For me, it was just, oh, we couldn't, also took a shower, like, or something, and it, I don't know, it was crazy. It was bad, but we came through in the end, and as you can see, lamps on. I'm also drinking coffee, also not sponsored. um um but yeah, so that's what happened for us. But yeah, like I said, all my prayers go out to all the people that I know, and I just want, like, I'm gonna say, like, you guys be safe, alright? Be safe, be warm, and yeah. And also, that's it. That's all I'd say. Um, oh yeah, well, Snowball, on the other hand, I was worried about her. I don't know if you can see her. I can't, like, yeah, but that's fine. She came out okay too. I wasn't really worried about her also because, you know, parakeets, they can freeze to death, sadly, also, but she came out okay. Anyways, that's all I have to say for now. It's a very short video today. It was just fresh on my mind. Kind of like, also, I'm not trying to copy my boyfriend. In fact, I did a video before him. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that one, actually, because I recorded it on my own. I was like, oh man, look at all the snow on our driveway, and it was also on my dad's vehicle before he sold it, and it was snow on rooftops also. But at least we didn't get like 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. You know what I mean? It wasn't that bad, but at the same time, it was bad in general. Didn't have power, but we all came through in the end. Anyways, I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Peace out.